it's Emily and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's video I am going to be doing a Valentine's inspired hairstyle. So I thought it would be super cool to show you all a hairstyle that you could use for any Valentine's event that you had coming up. Whether it's going on a date with your husband or boyfriend, or if you have a Valentine's banquet at your church, or you could just wear it on a date with Jesus to church, like anytime you go to church. I just think this is the perfect hairstyle for Valentine's Day. I have been wanting to share this with you all and I've been waiting for this special occasion. I hope you love this hairstyle as much as I do, so let's go ahead and get into the tutorial. Okay, so this is just my natural hair, very straight and thin. So I have this Conair Instant Heat curling iron and I have it turned all the way up, and I think this is the 3/4 an inch curling iron. I'm not for sure. And then I'm going to use Tresemme heat tamer, and I'm just going to put this on all of my hair. So then I'm just going to like comb this so this can dry a little bit, because I don't want it super wet whenever I'm curling it. Then I'm going to be using this Tresemme curl locking spray. So I'm mainly going to focus curling the ends. I'm just going to curl from like here down because I am putting my hair up. Okay, so now that I'm done with my curls, I'm just going to separate these and spray them. To keep my curls from looking frizzy, I will just separate and then twirl around my finger so it keeps the shape and it doesn't get frizzy. Okay, so I have a bunch of baby hairs around the front, so I'm just going to start pulling all of these out for this hairstyle. Spray them out so they stay. Okay, so once I got my baby hairs out, then I'm going to put my hair up. I'm not gonna really comb like this part right here, and I'm gonna go for a high bun. So I'm combing the back straight up, and then I'm taking my ponytail holder. This last time, I'm just going to loop right here. Now really, this part you could just do any kind of bun that works for you. But I like going back and forth like you've seen in my other videos, but you could just do any kind of bun as a base. And I just pin a section back and then pin a section forward, pin a section back. It's not real important to me what this looks like because this is just the base for my hairstyle. I'm gonna just do this like this. And pin this section up. Okay, you guys, I'm like burning up. It is really hot with this light, this curling iron, and this is the hottest room in the whole house. So if you're wondering why my ears are as red as my dress, that's because it's so hot. I'm just gonna take a tiny section, like this much hair, and I'm gonna just flip this over top of this bun, like this. Can you see back there? And I'm just gonna pin these. And I'm just gonna spread these out so they're like dangling down. Just like that. So then I'm gonna take all these in the front and just piece them to where they're hanging down. So you grab like where there's really the curl starting, like right here, and that's where I'm gonna put my bobby pin. And then I'm just gonna like pin it where I want this curl to hang. So like right there. And I'm just gonna do that all around the front. Just kind of like putting these curls exactly where I want them. And if this is too long, you just kind of take your bobby pin like this and stick it up there. Okay, so I'm just gonna push these out of the way so I can get to this part. And I'm just gonna spray a little bit of this. Okay, so when you have these done, then you can just separate them. Then I can really put all of it together. So obviously I don't want it to look this crazy, but I'm gonna start working with it. And if the curls are hanging down, just like pull them up and spray them. Okay, so we are done, and this is what the final product looks like. Again, I just think this is perfect for Valentine's Day or any other formal event that you have going on. I just think it looks so cute with all the curls hanging down. And I'm gonna mention, since I will probably have a ton of comments down below, this dress is from Shein. And I don't know if they still have it on their website, but if they do, I will link it down below. So if you like this hairstyle, give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what your Valentine's plans are. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye!